Hello, welcome to Aspen Barbecue. Let's roll up some chicken thighs. Planning to try out the last of the seasonings from Heaven Made products, in this case American Mexican, I bought when I was in the States. And then I've got some boneless chicken thighs, or chicken legs, it's all of it, and somehow, I don't really know how it works. And then I got some sliced up hard cheese, it's called prästost, which is a Swedish hot cheese, well, similar and not similar to cheddar. Anyway, rolling it up, seasoning on inside and outside of the chicken, and putting it into my flat bottom Longhi air fryer pan. Anyway, I could fit 6 in there, and the rest I had frying in a frying pan. Anyway, it worked out nice because it wasn't for today. Okay, so I've got the top and the bottom burner on, and I'm planning to run this for 30 minutes to start with on setting 3. I actually ran it for 5 more minutes, so 35 minutes in total. Just a little bit of salad as a base, piece of chicken, and then I've got some chili bearnaise that I'm gonna have with it. Time for a taste test. There we go, air fried chicken thighs filled with some cheese and some salad. The Mexican from it's Heaven Made products, really nice. It's got a bit of a bite, but not overly so. Not salty, it's good. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching, bye.